Today is 31st October, and I have taken a trade today because the last day that I traded was on 13th of October, that is Thursday, and today is 31st of October, Monday. So I have not traded for almost a couple of weeks, and what I was doing is I was trying to reset my mind. I read some books, tried to do some meditation and stuff, and so I'll document it later someday. But the trade that I took today was a CE of 18,200 or 300 maybe, and I entered at this candle here, 17,938. I entered it here at 18 rupees, and this is somewhere where I'll book my profit. Because I expect Nifty to go, to turn back after it travels to 18,000. So now Nifty is consolidating in this range, and I am waiting for it to break the high of today. So once it breaks 75, 970, 972, then I'll trail my stop loss or do whatever I think is suitable. And these two lines were my stop losses. This and this were my stop losses for weekly positions. But I'm not planning on, I have not decided to carry the weekly position as of now. But I expect Nifty to travel up and then come down, give its closing somewhere here or here. So that is the reason I said I'll try to book my profit here somewhere, because I will look for a PE opportunity again. Once above 18,000, I'll look for a PE opportunity. Because I'm pretty sure Nifty will give a red closing today, or I am expecting Nifty to give a red closing today. So, and once it breaks the high of today, the high of the morning, that is this part, then I'll trail my stop loss to here, this trailing support or resistance, whatever it was. So on the 13th, I made a huge loss on the weekly expiry, Thursday. And I realized that I need to rewire my brain, because I was breaking all disciplines, and I became kind of messed up. So I took this 2 week time, as a break. So let's see what happens today. And one more important thing is, today I didn't trade it due to FOMO, because I'm trying to think of it as, what happens if I miss the trade? Nothing will happen. I'll get another trade. So this self-talking or this self-motivation has prevented me from taking the trade in the first candle or in the second candle. So let's see what happens. So This is the current situation now, and I was trying a new indicator called order blocks, and here there are some sell orders below 18,000 from this range to this range below 996, and if Nifty crosses 996 or it crosses 18,000, then it can surely go towards 18,031, 18,030, and there are selling orders at 18,050. 18,030 and 18,050 have selling orders again, and so I was just looking at this, but the point is that Nifty crossed my high, then it again crossed the second swing, so I'll trail my SL, and 937 would be a good point for a SL. The low of this candle. So this will be my SL 36. And well, I may book my profit below my target. This is my target here, screen line. And I'll wait for today's closing as a confirmation, because I still feel that Nifty can, take resistance from 18,000 or 18,000 somewhat, 18,020, 30, and it can fall down. So I'll try to book small profits today. As soon as it crosses 18,000, I'll keep trailing my stop. So as soon as Nifty touches 18,000 or it goes above 18,000, so I'll try to trail my stop loss in my index, in my strike price. Like if I even get 100 rupees, that is also okay, because I have not traded for 2 weeks. So just to get the hang of it, I'm trading today. And so now it has entered this order block, this selling order block. So I think it can rally up to 18,030. So let's see what happens. And in case it touches 18,030, I'll exit immediately. And yeah, this is my stop loss is absolutely correct, because first swing, then second swing, since Nifty, this was the first I made, and then it broke this swing here, came down. So I can trail my SL here also. That way it could be beneficial, or I'll just trail my SL in the index. So either way it will work. Let's see what happens. Nifty has been forming a wedge kind of a pattern, which is clear here. ascending wedge, and as per option chain, there are a lot of call writers at 18,000 and put writers are also increasing at 18,000. So, but the change in open interest for the put side is more. So, maybe the it was an opportunity for the call writers to get away. Whereas here Nifty has formed a double pattern, a double bottom. This the first leg and this is the second leg here. If this candle closes above this, then it can try to break this upper part of the wedge. And my brain is tricking me, or my brain is telling me to carry the position for tomorrow, because in the longer time frame, 2 hours and 4 hours, Nifty has formed a green candle. So maybe there are chances that within this week Nifty can hit 18,300 or 400. So I'll be able to make good profit. But I'm not worried about making big profit or big loss, because I have now I'm trying only to focus on my psychology, how to trade, how to deal with loss, how to deal with profit, not the trading setup and stuff. So let's see, I'm still waiting for my target, and I have not trailed my stop loss because I have a call of 18,200. So I hardly made around 100 rupees profit in that. So yeah, right now I'm more focused on not letting my brain trick me, or not letting my emotions, not getting carried away in my emotions. So let's see what happens. So this is the current situation now. The time is 2:43, and in the 15-minute candle, 15-minute time frame, it has formed two lines like this. This line here is also a type of a resistance which the candles are not been able to break. So I'll wait for some time, and also I've trailed my stop loss here in this doji candle. So I'll wait for some time and see what becomes of the market, and then I'm planning to carry my position for tomorrow, because if I've checked in a longer time frame also, it was green, green, green everywhere. 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour candle, all over green. So maybe I'll wait till 3 o'clock and then decide that should I exit my position, or I'll carry it for tomorrow. And if I carry it for tomorrow, I'm not going to carry it single or a naked position. I've decided to buy a P of 17,500 or 17,600, which I'll get cheap. So that way I'll hedge my position in case tomorrow Nifty opens gap down, or something happens, anything happens in the Dow. So Nifty cannot break this trend line for like 2.5 hours. Nifty is unable to break this trend line here, this one, this line here. So I'm waiting for Nifty to break this trend line, and in case it touches 18,000 and goes above 18,000, then I'll try to book my profit. So let's see what happens. And this is a game plan that I have. So yeah, let's see. Market has closed, and I have carried my C position, a call of 18,200. But not only that, I have hedged it with a put of 17,600, 17,500 actually. So the option chain suggested that the put writers are heavily standing at 17,900, and that is the only reason that I decided to carry the call. So in case suppose I book my profit here somewhere, I would have gotten easily 600 something. So the main thing that I wanna, this is the day's candle, and the day's candle has came into green, and this will be my 18,095. And in case Nifty opens gap up below 18,095, that is, in case tomorrow Nifty opens above 18,120 or something like that, then I'll carry it. Otherwise, I have taken a P position, as this is a resistance line. Even if Nifty opens till here, I'll book my profit and I'll carry with the PE. So let's see. The last my last trade was on 13th of October, and today is 31st of October. So after a long gap, a trade, but not booked my position, I carried it. Let's see what happens tomorrow.